our channel and welcome to our home.
Hi, so in our last video we showed you us putting up some mirrors, but we never showed you around the room. So in this video what we're going to do is we're going to show you all around the room and we're going to show you a few things that we've purchased over the last few years. Heyo.
Alright dudes! So first of all, I'd like to show you a few items what we've purchased over the last few years. Firstly, this cat climbing frame what we purchased off Amazon. I think it was about £45, so we'll put the link down below if they still sell it, because we've had it just over a year now I think. So she's actually getting a little bit too big for it now, so in one of us other videos we're going to actually redesign it to make it a bit more bigger for her. Next I'd like to show you a set of 3 chests what we got off for QVC by Amanda Holden Bundleberry. There's the fuchsia pink, velvet material. They all come stacked inside one another. So they've got the rose gold detailing. So they're really handy for keeping things like magazines, receipts, toys, children's toys, anything really. And they come in a set of 3. So as you can see, they're quite big, and I just thought this colour would give the room a bit of a pop of colour. Also at the moment as well on QVC, I think the fuchsia pink ones are actually on offer as well if you want to take a look. And then we've got us blinds. These were from a company called Blinds to Go in Urban Grey. So this side you pull and it lifts it all up. So you can open it all. That's really that. And then this side is just to open and close the shutters. There's radiators, they were from eBay in graphite grey. And the isolation valves at either side, they were from B&Q. There's windowsills, they're made out of oak. We got the oak from a local wood yard, and Roy actually cut them and shaped them himself. And I think they're really nice. What they call them?
Skirting boards.
And the skirting boards, they're actually original. So what we've just done is sanded those down and then painted them grey. And I think the grey was from B&Q, I believe. So moving on is his mirrors. Mirrors, what you saw last time. You see them? This fireplace, this oak beam is from an old barn. Roy actually saved it and sanded it down. It was full of woodworm, but he got rid of it and treated it and sanded it and stuck it up. Got it?
Yeah.
Cockeyed! So on here we've got us reed diffuser. This one's from Next at Home. It's the Antigua Sunset Collection looks. We've got us 2 votive Yankee candle holders, and then these little houses what we've actually got in a Christmas style as well. These were from As the Living. As fireplace, this is from B&Q. It's a Dimplex Optimist. You just fill it up with water and then it lets off a steam effect so it looks realistic. We actually got this on sale, so we got a real bargain with this one. And then what we did is we just got one of these flues. What they call them?
Yeah, but it's actually a bit of drain pipe.
Yeah.
That we cut to shape, so
and we just put that on to make it look more real. There's flower and vase from TK Maxx. They come in little bunches like this. They're $9.99 each. They're made out of some kind of rubber, I think. Yeah. But I think they look really lifelike. They're just a little bit better quality than those, the ones like made out of material. I think these ones just look a bit more realistic, real. So we've got us 2 lamps. This one's a Tiffany style lamp. Obviously it's a cat because we love cats. And then this one is an egg lamp. We actually got these from a place in Skipton, but it's actually closed down now. It's a bit of a shame because it were actually a really lovely shop and it had some gorgeous things in it. And this is Vector, our little robot. Hey Vector, fist pump. A chandelier, it's a Marquis one, it's from Next Home, and I think it was about £300–400. It did come with halogen bulbs, but we've actually put LED lights in, and it's real crystal as well. It's a bit of a chore to clean, but it looks really pretty.
To try and get it back to come.
A settee is from SCS. It's a recliner lazy boy, electric. I'll just show you. Cushions, they're from B&M. I think they're about $6.99 each. This lamp, this is actually from Abu Dhabi. We went to visit Roy's sister who lives over there with her family. We got that from the souk. And then finally, which is a real bargain, we got the 3 items, solid oak wood. We got the drawer dresser, the TV unit and bookcase, and all 3 items we only paid £100, so a real bargain from my friend's Nana. Hi, so thanks for watching everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so you won't miss another video.
And if you'd like to look forward to the next set of videos where we're going to do a house walk round, we'll show you before and after photos so you can keep up to tabs on our progress.